जो है उसने ये स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि कोई अज्ञात व्यक्ति उसे ले गया था, अनजान व्यक्ति था, और उसके चुंगल से छुड़ाकर वो वापस बिलासपुर स्टेशन पहुंची है। ये इसने स्टेटमेंट दिया, मतलब मेडिकली एग्जामिन, देयर इज नो मेडिकल इंजरी on the body, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, she changed the statement, my lord, and she stated that it was the applicant herein who took her from Raigad.
And उनके मुंह को बांध करके, पीछे हाथ बांध करके फोटो खींच करके उनकी मदर के व्हाट्सएप में भेजे कि आपकी बेटी मेरे कब्जे में है, उनके स्टेटमेंट में है, और आप 1 लाख रुपए मुझे दे दें, अन्यथा मैं इनके।
क्या होटल मैनेजर का क्या बयान है?
नहीं,
offense under section 364A and 365 of IPC, my lord. The victim is aged 20 years, my lord, as well as the accused is also aged 20 years, my lord. The victim was studying in BSc college, my lord, degree college, my lord. And on 27th to 2024, my lord, she informed her mother that she is coming back to village, my lord, at around 1:30 p.m. Thereafter, when mother called her, my lord, when 4 p.m., my lord, her phone was coming switched off. Thereafter, at around 7 p.m., my lord, a message has been received from her daughter's number, my lord, stating that the daughter in his custody of someone, my lord, and if sum of rupees 1 lakh is not given, my lord, then the harm will cause to daughter, and a photograph has been sent from the mobile of daughter, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, on the next date, on 28th, the FIR has been registered, and the victim has been recovered from Bilaspur railway station alone, my lord. No one was there to accompany her, my lord. In the Dastiyabi Panchnama, my lord, she has stated that कोई अज्ञात व्यक्ति जो है उसे ले गया था, और जो है उसे फिर अगले दिन वो वहां से चंगुल से छुड़ा के भागी है। ये 28 तारीख को, मतलब जब बिलासपुर रेलवे स्टेशन में उसका बयान लिया गया, तब उसने ये बात बोली थी। 28/2 को, जिस दिन वो रिकवर हुई, मैलॉर्ड, उसी दिन जो है उसने ये स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि कोई अज्ञात व्यक्ति उसे ले गया था, अनजान व्यक्ति था, और उसके चुंगल से छुड़ाकर वो वापस बिलासपुर स्टेशन पहुंची है। ये इसने स्टेटमेंट दिया, मतलब मेडिकली एग्जामिन, देयर इज नो मेडिकल इंजरी on the body, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, she changed the statement, my lord, and she stated that it was the applicant herein who took her from Raigad when she was coming to her house, my lord, and took her to Bilaspur railway station, my lord. Thereafter, they stayed in a Bilaspur hotel, my lord. At around 8:30 p.m. they checked in a hotel, and around 10 a.m. they checked out of the hotel, and from hotel she ran to Bilaspur station. This is the story, my lord. The statement of the hotel manager has been recorded, and the hotel register is there, my lord, where both have put in their signature, my lord. And the hotel manager also stated that nothing suspicious was there. They have properly checked in and they have properly checked out, my lord. No alarm, nothing has been raised in entire all this time, my lord.
Yes. As per the statement of victim 164, she has specifically mentioned that she was abducted, take away by this applicant, and उनके मुंह को बांध करके, पीछे हाथ बांध करके फोटो खींच करके उनकी मदर के व्हाट्सएप में भेजे कि आपकी बेटी मेरे कब्जे में है, उनके स्टेटमेंट में है, और आप 1 लाख रुपए मुझे दे दें, अन्यथा मैं इनके।
क्या होटल मैनेजर का क्या बयान है?
नहीं, होटल मैनेजर का बयान, मैं लड़की का बयान 164 का पढ़ रहा हूँ लॉर्डशिप।
होटल मैनेजर का क्या बयान है?
होटल मैनेजर का बयान
क्या नाम है?
विजय कुमार यादव। विजय कुमार यादव। मैं उपरोक्त पते पर रहता हूँ, नटराज होटल का मैनेजर हूँ। मैं नटराज होटल में गत 30 वर्ष से कार्य कर रहा हूँ। दिनांक 27/2/2024 को मेरी ड्यूटी शाम 8 बजे से दिनांक 28/2/2024 11 बजे तक थी। इसी बीच एक लड़का और एक लड़की मेरे होटल में आए, और उसमें से एक लड़का रहने के लिए रूम चाहिए कहने पर आईडी लिया, जिससे लड़के का नाम कमलेश्वर पटेल, पिता मनोहर पटेल, महरौली स्थान दिया है, रहने वाला बताया। लड़की अपना नाम यशोदा बताया लॉर्डशिप, इसमें यशोदा श्रीवास, पिता श्यामलाल श्रीवास बताया है, जिसे रूम नंबर 304 चाबी देकर के 700 रुपए लिया गया। बाद में दिनांक 28/2/24 को 1 बजे चेकआउट करने चले गए थे। इसमें होटल मैनेजर ने स्पेसिफिकली कहा है
support the applicant, support the state heard. Case of prosecution is that the mother of victim lodged a report in the concerned police station stating that some unknown person gave the मोबाइल में उनको मांगा था रैंसम,
मालूम जी।
on her mobile phone, the photo of her daughter with tied mouth and hand was sent, and on the mobile phone has demanded ransom of rupees 1 lakh. The incident was reported to the concerned police station, and during investigation, on next day, that is 28/2/2024, the victim was found at railway station Bilaspur, and she was taken into custody. She was recovered from the railway station Bilaspur. Her statement under section 164 was recorded, and the applicant was also arrested. Counsel for applicant submits that the applicant has been falsely implicated. He has not committed any offences alleged. When the victim was recovered, he made statement at GRP Bilaspur that some unknown person have kidnapped her and brought to Bilaspur. However, she somehow escaped. Point. After some time, when her statement is recorded under section 164, he changed her statement and made allegation against the applicant. He submits that during investigation, the register of the hotel where the applicant and the victim resided together in the night is seized, and the statement of the manager was also recorded. In the statement of manager, it has not come that the victim was under any threat or fear, from which it is evident that the applicant has been falsely implicated. So and so for this, there is no other criminal antecedent against the applicant. The applicant is aged about 20 years only. So and so for the state opposes this submission and would submit that ये किस मोबाइल से फोटो भेजा था वो इनसे?
लड़के ने अपने खुद के मोबाइल से, लड़के ने अपने खुद के मोबाइल से,
लड़के ने
जी, उनके मदर, लड़की के मदर के मोबाइल,
लड़की के मोबाइल से कि लड़के के मोबाइल से?
नहीं, अपने खुद के मोबाइल से,
लड़की के मोबाइल से,
नहीं लड़की,
अरे मोबाइल का सिम नंबर होगा ना, इन्वेस्टिगेशन इतना क्यों सोचना? Submits that the
जी
victim,
लड़की के मोबाइल से लॉर्डशिप,
है?
छोटी लड़की के मोबाइल से,
that the victim and the statement have made a specific allegation against the applicant of kidnapping and making demand of ransom of rupees 1 lakh. However, upon asking as to from whose mobile the photo was forwarded in the mobile of the mother of the victim or complainant, after going through the case diary, he submits that it was from the mobile phone of the victim. He further read over the statement of Vijay Kumar Yadav, the manager of the Nataraj Hotel, to submit, the Nataraj Hotel. I've heard counsel for the parties taking into consideration the submission of counsel for the respective parties, nature of allegations, material in the case diary. In particular, the submission of counsel for the applicant that initially the victim has not leveled any allegation against the applicant in her statement recorded before the GRP Bilaspur, and the age of the victim, there is no other criminal antecedent against him. Without commenting anything on merits of the case, I am inclined to allow this application.
Now, this is the second bail application I forgot mention. First was
Criminal
withdrawn.